Happy morning, all of you, dear students. Now, your unit test exam is also completed. Our question answers are also completed. And see, for our whole year, we have 10 chapters only. How many? 10 chapters. And from these 10 chapters, we have completed 5 chapters already. That means we have completed our syllabus till term and exam. Yeah, 50% syllabus is also completed. But now we have lot of time. So what to do in this time? Okay. As I have checked your paper, I found most of the students are unable to write answers in one sentence and answer in brief. Just students are solving, fill in the blanks, match the pairs, find odd man out. Like these questions you are able to solve. Means objective questions you are solving. But this answer in one sentence, answer in 2-3 sentences, give reasons, you are unable to write these answers. Okay. For that purpose, again I am going to take revision, and with that revision we are going to solve question answers as per the paragraph. Okay. Today's content will complete, and on that content basis we are going to revise question answers. Okay. And daily you have to write down these question answers, you have to learn them properly. Okay. And you have to revise it again and again. Understood? So then and only you can do properly study. Otherwise everything will be disturbed, nothing you will understand. Okay. So open your books, page number 15. Now see, for terminal exam, which syllabus will be there now? Chapter number 4, 5 and 6. How many chapters will be there? 4, 5, 6. One more extra chapter I am going to take. Okay. So 3 chapters will be there for terminal exam. Now there is no need to study of chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Those were limited for unit test exam. Now we are going to proceed to next chapter, 4, 5th and 6th. Only these 3 chapters you have to study for terminal exam. Okay. So is it difficult? No? Very good. So open your books, page number 15. All I open it. Okay. So open your textbook, page number 15. First I am going to explain it in short. Okay. And then we are going to proceed to question answers. See, the concept of evolution. The word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous changes. What I have told you, evolution means gradual and continuous changes. Evolution in the plant and animal world can be explained in the following manner. Evolution is there in plant and animals, and it can be explained. See, in the process of survival by adapting the environmental changes. In the process of survival by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animals of a species. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristics seen in all the following generations. See, as per our environment, animals and plants, they are making changes in them and they are forming new species, and we can see their characteristics in next generations also. Okay. See, thus a new species with characteristics different from the original may be created, and from this original species and new characteristics, in new species new characteristics are added. Why? Because of environmental changes. As environment is making changes, we people are also making changes in ourselves. For example, see, now which season is started? Rainy season. Yeah. In rainy season, what we are using? Raincoat, umbrella. Yes. In winter season, we are wearing cotton clothes? No. Which type of clothes we are wearing? Woolen clothes. Yeah. So we are making changes in ourselves. In summer season, we are wearing cotton clothes. Yes. So like this, we are making changes as per the environment. Okay. Like this, in our cell, in our body also, many changes are happen. See, such a species is usually more developed than the original one. And so, which one is original one and new one? In them, difference is there. And so, original one is, sometimes the original species dies out or becomes extinct, and sometimes original species those dies or extinct. Extinct means vanish. I have told you what is mean by extinct. Vanish. That vanish detergent powder is there. You have seen that advertise. Yes. So vanish means extinct. So those original species were those were unable to make changes in themselves. They were unable to adapt changes. So those species died or those extinct. Okay. The first scientist to give us a systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. First scientist who gave us scientific explanation, scientific and systematic explanation. Who was that scientist? Charles Darwin. I told you that how you have to keep it in mind. In our school, in KG section, Mariella Charles ma'am was there. Who was Mariella Charles? Yes, all were knowing that ma'am, because she was very loving and careful about the students. Yes, so all students are knowing that ma'am. Yes. So from her name you have to keep in mind what? Charles Darwin, who was the first scientist who gave systematic explanation of evolution. Okay. Then see, species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive, and those species who are capable to adapt new changes, those only survive. The one that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evolution, and those they were unable to adapt changes, those become extinct. Okay. If someone asks us what, state Darwin's view on evolution, state Darwin's view on evolution. So this small paragraph you have to write there as a answer. Species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive. The ones that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evolution. Okay. See, in ancient times there were many species of a type of animal called dinosaur. In ancient times there were many species of a type of animal called dinosaur. In ancient time, we have seen ancient time, medieval time and modern period. Yes. So in ancient time there were many species of a type of animal called dinosaur. Do you know dinosaur? Yes. See, dinos in Greek means terrible. Dinos means in Greek language, what is its meaning? Terrible. And saur means lizard. Saur means lizard or reptile, or what we can say, reptile. So dinosaur means a terrible lizard. What is mean by dinosaur? Terrible lizard. Okay. Downside you can see many pictures are shown here. Okay, of dinosaur. Then turn your page number 16. See, some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. They were enormous in size. Enormous means very large, huge. They were very large and huge in their size. It appears that this species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly become extinct. And what appears that these enormous dinosaurs, they extinct suddenly. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental change is believed to be responsible for their extinction. And how it happened? Because of some natural disaster or environmental changes. Some natural disasters were there and some environmental changes were there. and these dinosaurs, they were unable to adapt these changes, and so their species extinct. Understood? See, fossils of dinosaur with wings have been discovered, and what we found? Fossils of dinosaur which had wings. Do you know wings? Birds have wings like this. It is believed that some species of two-leg and winged dinosaurs evolved into bird. And what is believed? That these two-leg and winged dinosaurs, they evolved into birds. Means they are made changes in them. So birds are now, what we are saying? Dinosaur was original species and birds are their new species. Okay, like this. So this one is evolution, gradual and continuous changes. Okay, so like this. See, in your book, what is given? Skeleton of a dinosaur, and downside a reconstructed picture of a dinosaur with wings. Now see, dear students, you may say that Khadange sir has taught us very fast. Within 5-6 minutes, sir taught one paragraph. Okay, but dear students, see, this chapter 2 times I have taught you. Yes, this one is just our revision. What we are taking? Revision. Why? We have to focus on question answers. Okay, so if you are not understood from this video, again you will see previous video of this chapter. In your Google Classroom application, you can see all videos of all subject. Anytime you can see it. Okay, I have given here chapter wise subject and chapter's name also it is given. Okay, so you can check it if you want to revise it again. Okay, so now see, we will proceed to our question answers. Now these question answers are only based on this paragraph only, this much. The concept of evolution on this paragraph, on this topic, this much question answers are there. Okay, so see, your first question, fill in the blanks. First one, the first systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was given by, who had given this first systematic explanation? Whose name I told? Charles Darwin. Okay, what trick I told you? That Cage's teacher's name. Only that teacher's name is our trick. Okay, so Charles Darwin is answer. Then dinosaur literally means a dash dash. Dinosaur literally means, what is the meaning of this dinosaur? Dinosaur. Dinos means what? Dinos means a lizard, and saur means, sorry. Dinos means terrible and saur means lizard or a reptile. So a terrible lizard, what does it mean? Terrible lizard. See, dinos means terrible and saur means lizard, a terrible lizard. Okay, then some species of two-leg and wing dinosaur evolved into, in which they evolved into birds. See, first dinosaur was very enormous, huge, and birds are small now, so tiny. Yes, so like this they have made changes, they have adapted changes in themselves. So only they can survive. Otherwise, at that time only they were extinct. Okay, understood? Now we'll proceed to question number 2. Answer the following question in one sentence. Answer the following question in one sentence. See, what is the meaning of evolution? What is the meaning of evolution? Simply I have told you, gradual and continuous changes. So see, evolution is a process of gradual and continuous change. Understood? Second one, how do animals survive in the process of evolution? How do animals survive in the process of evolution? So what is the answer? the animals survive in the process of evolution by adapting themselves to the changes in the environment. By adapting means accepting, by adapting themselves to the changes in the environment. Okay, like this much question answers you have to do, study properly. And one more question is there that I have told you from book. What? State Darwin's view of evolution. State Darwin's view of evolution, that you will write from book. Paragraph number 2. What is the answer? Species which are capable of adapting the environmental changes are able to survive. The one that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evolution. Okay, understood? Now see, many times we are taking practice of question answers. Now it should not happen in the next exam. Anytime I will take exam practice test, in that it should not happen that as it is question you are copying. You have to use your brain power. Okay, 70% portion we have to take from question, and remaining 30% we have to write on our own. That is our answer. See here, what I have copied from this question now. Evolution is the process of. See, evolution, this much only I have taken. This meaning, what this I have not taken. In this question, most of the part I have taken. See, how do animals survive in the process of evolution? So from here I have copied. The animals survive in the process of evolution. And then here I have written answer. Understood? So like this you have to do practice. And what is your today's homework? Homework will not be told on groups. You have to see videos properly, and then and only you have to write homework. All these question answers you have to copy in your notebook. Write chapter's name, revision, today's date, and in good handwriting you have to write it. Understood? Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with next point, the stages of evolution of animals, and with their question answers. So thank you very much.